Hey guys, it's Linda, and today we're going to be showing you the top 3 features of the Hotpoint NM11 washing machine. It makes ironing easier, it can handle all sorts of stains, and you can adjust things to suit your needs. We're going to head over to the lab now to look at these features in a bit more detail. It saves you time and makes ironing easier, and it can save on water and energy usage, all with the use of one handy little feature. It gives you the option of freshening up your clothes when they don't need a full wash. So let's say you've got a shirt like this. You wore it once for a few hours, or you just pulled it out of the back of a drawer. It's creased, it's a little bit funky, but nothing crazy. All you have to do is chuck it in and let Steam Refresh do its thing. Okay, 20 minutes later, and all that steam has been getting deep into the fabric. It smells fresh, it's also less creased, making it easier to iron. Not only does that save you time, but it's more economical as well, because you're not using all that water and energy on just a few items. You don't have to worry, stains don't need to mean the end of your favorite items, as it's able to bring your clothes back from the brink using its active care feature, which is able to remove more than 100 different stains using temperatures as low as 20 degrees Celsius. You can also choose to either save time or cut back on running costs and consumption by customizing wash cycles to suit your needs. It lets you either speed things up by up to 50% or lower energy consumption by up to 20% by choosing either the rapid or eco options. To find out more about the Hotpoint washing machine, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.